Hi, let's take a look at section A-6, where we're going to be using two formulas. You're going to want to make note of these, put these in your notes. The midpoint formula and the distance formula. Basically, there are three formulas, because there are two formulas for the midpoint formula. One of them being if you're looking at a number line. So if I look right here on a number line, I'll have two points on a number line. All I need to do is really average those points. So that's why we wrote A plus B divided by 2. So if I were to find this point and that point, I just have to add the two numbers together, the values of the points, and then divide them by 2. That finds the point right in the middle. That extension applies to the coordinate plane. If I have two points on an angle from A to B, this is at an angle. To find M, we simply need to average the x coordinates, and then we average the y coordinates. And so this formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is really just not really a formula so much as it is another ordered pair. So to find the x coordinates of the midpoint, you average the x values. To find the y coordinate of the midpoint, you average the y values. And so that's what we will do in this particular case in a couple of examples, which will be coming up later. Then the distance formula is an extension of the Pythagorean theorem. You know the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that's kind of what we're doing here. We want to find the distance from A to B. That's sort of like here's a triangle. We've sort of created a right triangle. And we're basically going to take this distance squared plus this distance squared equals d squared. So over here, we simply square rooted both sides, and this distance squared is right there, and this distance squared is right there. And so this is a combination of the Pythagorean theorem and the other formulas where we're looking at distances on a number line. So the distance formula is this one. Make sure you have this one in your memory as well.